Here is a quick little update on a Cadillac on a 6-door. So I'm putting the interior together now. Here's the Alcantara, sunroof. So it needs a carpet because this one is just shut. And I have one more row is on the back. So here's a big screen. One more row. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Here's a player. Here is some extra parts that basically like a couple of bins there that need to be, everything need to be installed. So as of right now, what I'm working on, it's on a door post. So this side, it's this side. So I need to make from 2 posts, make 1 post. So here you go. Just install the new rubber. So I need to buff the car.